This video will show you how to install the TRICO rear blade onto a pinch tab arm.
Hold your thumb on the front of the blade adapter. Align the wiper arm tabs with the tabs on the back end of the adapter and raise the blade into the underside of the arm. Rotate the blade up until the tip of the arm locks into the front of the adapter. The adapter must lock onto the wiper arm where indicated. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm. Align the pins in the center of the blade with the grooves on the underside of the wiper arm and press them together. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm.